So this MRI is one of the most powerful diagnostic tools in modern medicine, and it's right here in Auburn. We've created partnerships with industry, medicine, and government, and we want to be a resource, not only with researchers on the Auburn faculty, but researchers in the region, nation, and world. If we can find something that can be objectively measured that says, yes, this person has PTSD, that opens the door to treatment. People have proposed different treatments for PTSD, but it's difficult to tell how well they work. If we can come up with a biomarker or some way to tell objectively how much PTSD somebody has or whether they have it or not, they'll be able to measure these treatments, see which one works better than others, ultimately help these people. Actually, MRI images the protons that are in the nuclei of hydrogen atoms. And those act like little bar magnets, but normally you can't measure the magnetic field generated by all these little bar magnets. But when you're in an MRI scanner, you're in the presence of a very strong magnetic field, about 3 Tesla. 1 Tesla is the strength they use in junkyards to pick up cars. And so when you're in the MRI scanner, all these protons, they all line up. So then your body does have a measurable magnetic field. Seven Tesla is sort of the next step in the sort of evolution of MRI scanners. It's the next it's the next emerging MRI technology. And there will be things that we'll be able to diagnose at 7T that we can't diagnose at 3T. There'll be things we can just do a better job of doing at 7T than we can do at 3T. The 7 Tesla is good for lots of different things. One of the things it's particularly good at is cognitive neuroscience and brain imaging. We can take spectacular images of the brain with the 7 Tesla. In particular, we can do what's called functional MRI, where you actually can image what part of the brain is active during a particular task. For example, if you tap in your fingers, you can see what part of the brain is active while you're tapping your fingers. Also, as a state, I mean, this puts us on the map. There's not a lot of, there's only 15 or so of these facilities in the nation. So Alabama has one of these advanced imaging centers, and that sort of raises the profile of the state nationally. The MRI Center is basically a platform for faculty campus-wide to do research in areas that they weren't able to do research in before. The technology here that we have with the 2 scanners, the 3 Tesla scanner and the 7 Tesla scanner, allows faculty around campus to take their research to another level. We also have a RF lab in this facility that can design the specialized coils that are used in MRI to actually image a head or image a heart or image a wrist or image a knee. We've got some of the most advanced MRI scanners in the world here in this facility. We've got some of the top people in their specialties in this facility. We've got great researchers on campus in the state of Alabama. We're going to do some great things.